Good morning, students. So, how are you? I thought you will be very safe in this pandemic time. And now, today in this afternoon session, I am going to take 12th standard English supplementary unit 2. So, see here what is written in the board on life of pi. The topic is I am going to take in this afternoon session life of pi. So this life of pi is written by Jan Martel. So he was the writer and he was born in Spain to a French Canadian parents. He was here, his father works as a diplomatic and he wrote many books, particularly the famous 3 books takes the critical as well as very problematic writings as well as books. And he was very much attracted to the readers because in 2001 he wrote this Life of Pi books and now he got Booker Award in 2002. So he was very much famous and brilliant and good writer also. So today in your book, 12th standard book, this lesson Life of Pi was given to you, and before going into this lesson, it is very good and very happy to see, and this is a fantastic fantasy also, this lesson, because this is imagination story. And I is thinking that in this writing, in this story, he took one animal along with the human beings. And same way, after that, he written all this. I told you before he wrote 3 books. In this, he got some critics. In this book also, he got some critical at the end of the story. What is it? Because many of them asked after this written, and what is it? Now they ask the reader asked to the writer, and what is it? How it is believable to have 227 days only in the ship and seaboard, lifeboat, this human being as well as the one animal, mainly the wild animal, the tiger, the same way, same boat, how it is possible. So in this story also he got some critical point, but along with this and so many readers and they read and they given the Booker Award. He received Booker Award in 2002. So before going into this lesson, we will see in this lesson some glossary also, and see the board and see it, and glossary. First one is belch. And the meaning is expel air noisily. Expel air noisily. And the second one is float sand. The meaning is debris floating in a river at sea. You know what is debris? Now the dust and all were flowing in the river at sea. So that is called float sand. Floatsam. And the third one is tarpaulin. So see it, what is the meaning? A heavy waterproof sheet. The sheet which the traveler, while they are traveling in the seaboard, they can sleep, they can sit in the waterproof sheet. That is called tarpaulin. That is the third one. The fourth one, incredible. What is incredible? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And fifth one is And conundrum, what is the riddle? Riddle. And sixth one, asphyxiation. The meaning is death due to lack of oxygen. Death due to lack of oxygen. The seventh one is putrid. Putrid. And rotting. Rotting. The meaning is rotting. And eighth one is guise. The meaning is pretend. Pretend. And now ninth one is cauldron, a large bowl or pot. That is called cauldron. And tenth one is unambiguous. The meaning is clear, clear. And 11th, glister, stone. So here is an abridged version of the famous Canadian fantasy adventurous novel titled Life of Pi. So what is the meaning for abridged? It is a shortened version. And what is the meaning for now the abridged and fantasy is imagination. Fantasy is imagination. And now in this story, the protagonist, what is the protagonist meaning? It's a famous character, the main character in this story. So the main character of the story is Pi. So his name, full name is Pisilin. And now this famous, the name is Pisilin Molitor. 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 And now here his name is Pi Patel. Pi Patel. So because they are Patel family, and his father name is Santosh Patel, mother name also Patel, Geeta Patel, and his brother Ravi Patel. So one day, because their family, they are living in South India, the city of Pondicherry. And now they thought his father, because of some political reason, they want to shift their country. So the life of Pi, his name is Pisilin Molitor Pi Patel. So a short form is Pi Patel. They are Patel's family. His father name is Santosh Patel and mother name is Geeta Patel, and now his brother name is Ravi Patel. So these Patels decided to shift their house to Canada because some reason of political, they want to shift there because they ran zoo in Pondicherry. And Patel was running zoo, and now they need to shift their zoo to Canada. And now along with their family members and all the brother and sister along with his wife, and they went to Canada in the lifeboat at sea, and now all went there. And in that time, what happened? And at the sea, suddenly some wreck will be there. All the ship will be sink into sea. And now the family members all separated from one another. And now only some animals will be there, and they are traveled in Simstum. And now what is the meaning for Simstum? What is this? This is animal in the ship. One boat is there and one room like this, one chamber is there. In that the animals will be kept inside it. And because during the travel, if anybody wants this animal to buy, they will sold it. And so this is the room as it. And now what happened is and now they are traveling in that. Suddenly the wreck will become, and now the ship will be sink into the sea. And now all the animals are went in the water. The family members also separated. Only this pie as well as and some animal hyena, orangutan, zebra, and now only the main character, the tiger will be there, Richard Parker. His name is Richard Parker. So this poor animal only reminder is there along with this pie. His father, mother all went separately. And what happened next? Now this hyena killed the zebra as well as the orangutan. And now on seeing this tiger, Richard Parker, was very much hungry, and so he ate, and hyena also. So who is remaining in the boat, in the ship, in the life of boat, and only this pie as well as this Richard Parker. And now these two will be there, and now they are, now what happened, he is very much afraid, this pie. They are traveling, and now he is alone in the ship, only the Richard Parker as well as Pi Patel. And now both are traveling, and now how many days? 227 days they are only alone in the ship. And now in this lesson, the writer is prescribed in this lesson. So what all happened during in their traveling time? Only this Richard Parker, the tiger, as well as the Pi Patel. And now what all happened, what all went through in these days, this is the story, the life of Pi. And now he was very much afraid because if any time this tiger will eat Pi Patel. And because there was nothing was there to eat in this boat. There was no food, no water, nothing will be there. And what they will do? And now they are very afraid. And now beneath it was a tiger. And now storm also will be there. Only he was having oat in his hand. And along with this he is and was sinking there. And now they are going along with it. There was nothing will be there. And now he is, but nothing will did any animals also there. And now the tiger also very happy to travel along with this pie. And during on the way, and he is thinking that if it is anything will happen, what I am going to do? He was very afraid, he was very sad. The family members left, where they will be, and now what is there? And now he is traveling in that, and he is thinking that, and some tennis players, if it is the tennis player will be there, and now this tennis player, the both are playing, and one is champion and another one is there, he is going to lose his match. And now the champion, what he is thinking himself, he will be win, because the other will be loss is very tired. And what he is thinking, the champion is his will going to win. And but at the last minute, and those who are in the last, what will be, he is coming together. He want to be will with it, and he want to be like this. I am in the last minute, the life of Pi will thinking it, I will be win in this. I am going to travel here along with this Richard Parker. And now they are went, and now he was very thirst, and now he is thinking the Christ also having some during the crucifixion, he also got some water. And but myself, I didn't have any water also. And now they are on the way, and some in the island, Mexican island, they crossed one island, that name is Mexican. In that Mexican island, there will be some Caribbean. Caribbean means those who are the human being, they will eat, the people, they will eat not animal, they are eating human beings. They are called Caribbean. So on seeing this Pi Patel, he was traveling in the boat, he thought he want to kill, and they want to eat. And now in this situation also, that is tiger, Richard Parker, was saved this Patel. So he was very much thankful to this tiger, And on the way they are traveling, and on the way some incidents will be there. In during the Japanese, they will ask you how it is possible both this animal as well as human beings will be in the same boat. And the tiger was not did anything. And when they will ask, the writer was changing this situation into human beings. And now he is around in tarpaulin and he is going on sleeping, and he is not getting from his bed. And because if he got, if anything will be happen, and now he is very much afraid to that, and now he want to be very thirsty, and he wants some food also. And because of that, he searched many places. There was no water in that. And he searched there, and he was very much happy when the Deepavali festival, Pongal like this, and Christmas, birthday, everything. And because why he is thinking like this means, because he got in the boat, in some bottle will be there, one box will be there. In that box, he opened it and he saw that many water bottles will be there. And now he took the water bottle from there and he opened it, and he can't able to open it because he got, but he doesn't able to drink it. And now he tried very much from his nail and from his teeth. He can't able to open it, and but he was very much happy. At last, he opened it, and he drank so many water bottle, and now he is very much very happy about it, because when during he took alcohol, he was not very happy, because he is very much happy while he is taking the water bottle, and he got some food also will be there, and it was some biscuits also. He is very much happy in that. And not only that, in some places in the boat, in the which the Richard Parker will be sitting there, at the back of it the life jacket will be there, and now it was showing very orange color. The color of the jacket will be the orange color, and it will make all the things, all the articles what are all in the boat, all look into orange color. And now he was very happy on seeing it, and now he got his after drinking the water, his blood also will be growing, and he was very much happy, and he was very much fulfilled in that, to eating is to drinking it. And now at last, what is it? And now he is very much happy about it, because while if he was traveling alone in this boat, he was not very much happy, because when his very much life saved, while he is traveling along with this Richard Parker, he was very much safe in that, and because he was saved in one place because of this, and the Caribbean which came to eat this Patel, and that time the Richard Parker one is saved, and because of the Richard Parker, he was survived in this time also. He's thinking it, and now he was very much happy, and now he's telling that, and he was very much, God was saved me because of this Richard Parker. And one place he was very much happy, and now he can't able to separate Richard Parker. And now what happened? And in one place they came, they are very happy in that, and now he want to leave this Richard Parker in jungle, And now he came to that and he want to separate this. And now, but he went to the jungle, but not return, and he's not seeing to Bhai Patel. And without seeing him, he went into the jungle. The Bhai Patel was very much sad, because of this animal only I saved in this life. And now he was 450 pounds in this boat, and only the boat contains 1/3 of the size will be contained. The tiger also is sitting in. And but now he is separating. He felt very much sad in that. And now he was very sad, and now he went to his family members, and now he was very happy in that. And now, student, what you learn from this story? Life of Patel. Life of Patel means the life is 16 years old. Bhai Patel was undergone so many problems, and now, but in his childhood days, he was very much happy to along with his animals. And because his father was running zoo, he spent most of his time along with this animal. And now along with these animals, so many animals will be there. There was some wild animals, some pet animals also will be there. And now he was very much happy along with his only wild animals like tiger, lion. He undergoes so many situations also. His father insisted he should not come inside the zoo. But because of the interest, he was spending most of the time in zoo. So that in this situation, which was held in the childhood, was only saved him when he was alone in this ship. And now he was very much sewing, and now he is a monitor, and Teslin monitor Bhai Patel. His name is Bhai. And now he was not only there, and he was very much not afraid with this. But why he was afraid? And 227 days, how many days? 227 days, he want to be along with this Richard Parker. Only alone. And because so many ships will be passing there, but no ship was turning to see it. And both of them they both only alone travel. And what it means, if any problems it will comes, what we have to do, we have to face it with courageous. We have to improve, and you have to maintain our self-confidence. And not only that, here God grace also will be there. If we want to face our courage means, what we need? God's help, God's gift, God's blessing should be there. And this also will be there. And not only that, survival also main thing in this story. Because during the traveling, the Patel want to be survive in this land. Because he want to meet his family members. So that he think he want to survive. So how he want to survive? How he can survive in this land? And now, because of that, he thought that he want to be survive. So he was maintaining his self-control, self-confidence in him. And now because of that, along with this tiger, and he also maintained something. And so these and all something there. And student, you should learn from this story. There are 3 things. One is survival. The other thing is courage in our life. Self-confidence will be there. Strong will be there. The third one is, main important is, God's blessing also will be there. So these 3 things should be very much important in our life. you have to courage, you have to maintain in our future. So these things you must keep in your mind, and always you must survive in this. And now here's some. So in your lesson there will be some questions also will be there, short answer, and 50 words question also will be there. Student, you must go through the question and you see it, what question will be there and what is the answer here. And not only that, I took this lesson, and but you may be very interested to see the movie The Life of Pi. So while reading in this lesson, while I am dictating, I am teaching in this lesson, you will be feel better to understand if you see this movie The Life of Pi. You may be very enjoyable and very interesting, and not only that, the main thing is you may be very much understandable to see this Life of Pi story. And in this lesson, this is supplementary, students, you may have the hints developing like this question type. And they won't ask you in the exam, public exam, the question and all. But you may have to create the summary, and you may have detailed points will be there. And they will ask you in the exam hints development like this. They will give you hints. You have to develop these hints and you make it as a story. So like this type only they will ask you. And I told you previously, you go through in your lesson all the paragraphs and you understand that, you read it one time. And if you read, you can able to understand very clearly. Not only that, you may understand better reading. You watch the movie of Life of Pi. This is very interesting and enjoyable movie, and you can able to write the summary and seeing the movie in your YouTube also will be there, and you type it and you know this and you watch it, the full movie of Life of Pi. You may able to develop the hints which you are going to give in your public exam. And now, so in this lesson, there are 3 points will be there, and one is you take it, the theme of this, one is courage, strong determination, survival, and God's blessing. And now the strong will be there. Courage should be there. This is the theme of this lesson, theme of the story, supplementary reading, which are written by Jan Marshall. He also got so many problems while he wrote 3 famous books, I told you in the beginning. But along with this courage and strong will, God blessing, he came to write very famous in his Life of Pi in 2001. So that he got 2002 the Booker Award, Booker Prize. So like this writer, like this Pi Patel, the character which was protagonized in this story, you also the student, you may also have courage, strong will, and God blessing will be there. So read it and write it, this question. All the best. Take care.